Plug-in Alliance's NEOLD U17. I know what you're thinking. There are so many compressors out there. What's so special about this one? And my 14-day trial has 1 day left. Should I keep it? The U17 combines a solid-state diode bridge using germanium crystal semiconductors with all-tube and massive transformer amplification, making this one of the rarest compressors you can find on the market. But how does it sound when applied to your recordings? What makes this one so special? Well, that's why we're here to find out. Looking at the layout of its interface, we can safely assume the signal is flowing in from left to right. And right away we find something unique in this unit. Density and emphasis. This section is a clipper. According to the manual, we're able to achieve a louder signal this way. Density controls the amount of soft clipping saturation introduced by the tube amplifier. The more the density knob is turned to the right, the more clipping and saturation you'll get. Like so. An emphasis defines the frequency you want the clipping to be focused on. Next is the detector. When audio is going into compressor, it determines how you link the left and right channels. L for 100% link. U is for fully unlink. Right in the middle is 50%, and so on. Obviously, input determines how much signal you want to drive the compressor. Think of it as the threshold. Now we have roughly 3 to 5 dB of gain reduction. Let's add around 5 dB of output to compensate. There you go. Of course, everybody knows attack and release. This we will skip. We're now monitoring the side chain signal that is being processed. What makes it so special is shape and frequency. Use the shape knob to crossfade the filter from low pass to completely flat. The frequency knob sets the tilt point. Torque modifies the knee and ratio of the compression at the same time. Right now, you're hearing lower frequency being tucked away. As a result, we were able to bring the whole mix up to the front. Let me show you the differences. Oops. Our time is up, but here are my thoughts. This compressor is versatile. As you can see, you can sculpt your mix however you like. It can beef up the bass and give you 3D depth in your mix. Would I get it? Since trial period is over, I would definitely get it for my next project. There you go. That's it for now. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy the video. Until next time.